In this video, we will learn how to install the Binance Smart Chain network inside MetaMask and also how to add the Woop token. I have MetaMask open. I'm going to expand the view with this option. I am currently on the main Ethereum network. To add a new network, we must deploy it with a click and select Add Network. Next, we must add a series of data. This data is what you are seeing now on screen, and you will have it in the description of this video. I will start copying and pasting the data, name of the network, Binance Smart Chain Network. URL address of the RPC tells us that it is invalid, probably because we have a space at the beginning. We eliminate it and the message is removed. Chain ID 56, currency symbol BNB. Finally, the block explorer with all the data placed. Click on Save. As you can see here, I am already in the Binance Smart Chain network. The token is BNB, and I can see my balance in BNB. Now we will add the Woop. In the same way, all the data you will find in the description of this video. To start, we must click on Import Token. It will ask me for the contract address, token symbol, as well as its decimals. I copy the contract and paste it in the first box. It automatically recognizes the other data. To continue, click on Add Token. I can see the Woop as well as my balance. And to finish, click on Import Token. This way, I will already have the Woop added to my wallet and I can see my balances. This is how we add the Binance Smart Chain network and the Woop token inside MetaMask.